Welcome to the second module. I hope you've had a chance to practice the pause exercise a few times, and maybe you're starting to get into a routine of doing this, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. If you are doing this, this is fantastic. Always remember at the end of each exercise to set the anchor. We will come on to this later in the course and explain why you are doing this, but for now, just do the exercise and the anchor. You may find after a while that you can do the pause quicker and quicker. You can bring yourself into the moment in just a few seconds. And if you can do this, this is great. But even so, I would encourage you to practice the pause at least once a day, as well as doing it quickly. In addition, try doing it in different places and different surroundings. When you're in the countryside, do the pause then, or if you're in a shopping centre or a town centre and you're sat for a moment, again, practice the pause. It does not matter about the noise and distraction around you. The more accomplished you become, the more you will be able to bring yourself into the moment. Practice when you are with friends, if you have a few moments, just to set yourself aside. And get used to that feeling of really being there and being present. And keep building on this. In this next module, we'll be looking at some extensions on how we can put this practice to greater use.